What's doing? Welcome to Pro Check again. Today we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to do a bit of a walk around and show you what we've got on in the shop, what we get up to, the things we do, and yeah, have a bit of a walk around, chat to the boys and see what they're up to. All right, so let's head in. We'll go and see the boys. Oh, probably should show you what we've got out here. We've got a car park, but I've also got a road, so let's have a look around and see what we've got. All right, this one here is a little Hyundai Getz, just in for a service. That's Larson's. This one out here is also another little Hyundai Getz with a service on. What else have we got out the front? That's Vanessa's daughter's car. It's been a crash, so just waiting for parts. That one is a 370Z, we're just waiting for a throttle body. We've got our loan car. MP300 we've just done a service on, and my car obviously is parked out the front here as well. Then we come inside, we've got Alex's Colorado. We need to do a rear suspension drop, and it's not crime scene stuff, it's just had a paint job. It's getting blocked back, so you can see the details, having a bit of a test run here to see what's going on and get that shine. But we've also got to do a gearbox on that because it's pouring out oil. Supra, that one's done, ready to go. Just waiting for the customer to get back from overseas. This one has a transmission fault, so I'll flip around. This one's a transmission fault. It's got hot, overheated, the torque converters flexed and caused some issues. So we're gonna put a new torque converter in it, transcooler and a thermal bypass valve, and that'll fix that issue. So if you have a BT50 or a Ford Ranger, highly recommend the thermal bypass valve. Stop you spending thousands of dollars fixing your torque converter. Skyline, RT3, that one's done and ready to go. The same thing, just waiting for the customer to come pick it up. It was sitting in the paddock for a while and needed some love, so we gave it some love, and now it starts and runs and goes. Commodore, it's done a motor, so we're rebuilding the motor on that. The TD42, we've done a bit of upgrades on this one. I'll show you under the bonnet. So we've done a turbo, custom intake piping, connected up to the snorkel, and then we'll get that on the dyno and tune that up when that's done. We've got Taj's S13, needs a sport, needs a bit of love, so he's going drifting Thursday night, so we've got a bit of love to do on that one and get ready for the drifting. He's just bought that. We'll do a bit of a show around. I'll come back and I'll show you around that one. We'll do a bit of B-roll around that one to show you. What else we got? Patrol, that one's just in for a roadworthy. Inside here, I'll flip the camera around and show you. Corvette, this one came in for a roadworthy, and we failed for a heap of things and it got everything replaced. So it's had new diff, new transmission, engine's had all new gaskets. We've got heaps of parts from the States for that one. Nothing sort of too fancy, but basically, yeah, full Rico driveline stuff to make it roadly and safe. We have the 4-door R32 that's got RB20. It snapped a timing belt and broke every valve, or bent every valve, so we need to replace that. So the head's off, found another head for him, that's getting done. This is Jared's LS HT wagon. We're doing aircon, column shift, bench seats, full ground up build. Everything's been replaced, all complete new wiring harness. Everything is being replaced in this car. You can't see much inside, it's just all getting done, but yeah, everything getting done, replaced, new. We can head over here, see what the boys are doing. So we head over to Jarv, see what's going on over here. What are you doing, Jarvis?
Lift kit.
Lift kit on a Triton?
Yeah.
We're doing a 2-inch lift kit, front and rear. Just tie this one up, make it look a bit cooler. Josh is doing some top secret stuff here. Josh, what are you doing? I'll bleep it out.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
We're doing some top secret stuff on this thing. That might come out one day, we'll show you. Over here, I think Benny's doing... What are you doing, Ben?
Fitting an alternator.
Fitting an alternator. Let's have a look over here.
So,
you're trying to find it first?
Yeah, it's just there.
Just there. Cool.
The alternator's dodgy. Pop that fuse.
Oh yeah, so alternator's stuff to main fuse, so a bit of electrical work as well. Not just your normal stuff, we do a bit of everything. Yeah. Cool beans. Keep going. Good job. But we'll wander over here. What's on the dyno and what's on over here. So you know, this one, that's mine. That's mine as well. If you don't know anything about that, have a look. It's SR20. I'll put a link in the bottom below if you like. SR20, 450 horsepower or so. That one's RB25. This is Jarvis's 300ZX. He's pretty much ready to go. It's I was going to put on the dyno hopefully in this week or next week. LS 300ZX. He's pretty much done everything himself. Pretty cool bit of gear. Well, we might do a video on this one as well, so you can see what that does. This one's Shay's S13. He just bought this one, RB25. It's got a heap of issues we need to sort out on it, so he's ready to go drifting. Running in this tune, Gingao turbo, and that's really about it. It's got 740cc injectors. Just go tune it, but it needs a bit of love as well. But that's just RB25 hydro, a bit more drifty car stuff. We'll do a bit of roll around on that as well. So this is inside the S13, the red one. That's it, running at SR. We'll pop the bonnet, have a look around here. So nothing fancy, but it's got all the bits that it needs to do what it needs to do. It's got some cool suspension parts underneath. But yeah, we're going to do some upgrades. He wants some newer things. We want to get rid of that air flow meter. So we'll put a Haltech on it and do some turbo upgrades and some filling upgrades. But yeah, that's that one. Be ready to go for Thursday morning drift this week. We'll have a look what else we've got lying around. These are from Jay at Brisbane Fuel Injection Services. I've got some new wheels. These are going to go on my VL, so stay tuned for that. Still not back from paint yet, but when that comes back, these bad boys will be going on. Tyres, we have plenty of tyres in stock. These are a set of Falcons. We're going to put on Nick's Hilux. They're a 33, like a 305 70 16. He wants the same tyre as mine, but a bigger one to fit his because they're nice quiet. Obviously, everyday tyres we have in stock. And we do also keep in stock our drift tyres as well. So I've got a heap of drift tyres ready to go, the Duruns and all sorts of stuff, all in stock ready for us to go burn them apart. We have more tyres here ready to go. Some of them got rims on already, but we have more tyres from Mac and I ready to go. Some more tyres here. This is mine, and the only upgrade so far is I've got a Mac valve over there we're fitting on, so I can control boosts and get some more low end stuff out of it. But we'll be going to get this thing ready for Friday night drifts coming up. Alright, so that's pretty much us. A bit going on today. The boys got plenty going on. There's more services coming in, more repairs coming in, more things for Jarvis to not do. But yeah, so anything you want to know, let us know. 1-800-776-243. If you want to see anything else, you want more information on more cars, let me know. We can do a bit more of a feature on a car. Pretty sure Jarvis is hiding around here, but I'm pretty sure Jarvis, we're going to do a bit of a feature on your car. Yeah, something. Do something. We'll do something. We'll probably go and skid it as well, and we'll do a video on that and do that sort of cool stuff. So stay tuned, hit that like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more info. Cheers, guys.